In today's vlog we have a special guest here, but this guest doesn't want to really talk to me. Today we're gonna explore the old town of Marbella and to see which are the most beautiful streets here, and afterwards maybe we're gonna go to the beach as well. We start our day exploring from a plaza. I will show you the name because I can't pronounce it, sorry. Plaza Santo Sepulcro, and we have this beautiful building here. And this church. Now moving forward, it's a very early morning, so the streets are very quiet at the moment. We like to enjoy it this way with not too many people around because we like to take lots of photos as well. Let's see how it's like. I think at some point people will start coming anyways, but until then we can film for you as well to see, for a better view of the streets. And we found a very beautiful square here, Medieval de Marbella.
Like a ton of bricks, doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your trick.
We are now at Calle de Carmen. I don't know if you've seen my vlog from Mija's Pueblo. Over there are these flower pots everywhere, so it looks like here is the same. It's like a traditional way of I don't know, decorating the walls. Otherwise very simple, but with this more colorful. This one is Plaza General Quinchilla.
Used to be anonymous, now the world has seen your face. Living life is dangerous, but there's a map for every maze. Yeah.
If you thought all the pots are blue, I found some that are red. Look how nice. Oh my god, it looks amazing. I don't know who had this idea, but and these fountains everywhere in every square. Wow. They found a beautiful way of making green areas in this beautiful city, because there are no trees, so they have to make up somehow for this. And this, imagine this in full bloom, all these fine flowers.
Knowing your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You put your heart on a letter to chase it away. 'Cause I'm and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever?
Pasaje de los Geranios. At first I thought it's a private yard, but it looks like a shopping area. Or maybe it's a private yard. Okay. Okay, it's just a yard. I thought it's like a passage from where you when you pass from a street to the other. Church here is called Cofradia del San Cristo del Amor. We have some flamenco dresses here. Look how beautiful they are. I think they are like genuine flamenco dresses. I don't know if are only for decoration of this restaurant or is maybe an art gallery or a museum, but I don't see any sign for museum.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
You have to come and visit this place on the summertime because all the flowers are gone in September already. Oh, look at this door handle.
Like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
If you want to enjoy a flamenco show here in Marbella, you have here some details.
Used to be anonymous. Now the world has seen your face. Living life is dangerous, but there's a map for every maze. Yeah, you can be a bird. Tell the stories you have heard, and live your life today. It doesn't matter what they say.
And this is Marbella's castle. I don't know if it can be visited or not. We'll try now. Apparently that thing that we thought it's a castle, it was only a wall. Just a wall. It couldn't be visited. We go in here to look for some sweets. Oh my god, what's here?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
We are in Almenada Park right now. It's one of the greenest parts of Marbella. And I wanted to share my thoughts about this place. I think it's an amazing place to visit, but because it's September, all the flowers on the narrow streets are already gone. I think I would recommend a visit here in June, July maybe. I will definitely come back one day and explore Marbella in full bloom, let's say like this, because I really like it and I think it's a very nice place to visit. The old center is not that big. You can finish visiting in about 2, maybe 3 hours. It can take even longer if you choose to have a drink or to have a meal at one of the restaurants, because there are plenty. They weren't open when we passed because we came very early morning, but there are plenty to choose from.
Somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, died with my own doubts. Be free.
If you come here by car, just right near the park, there's this parking called Avenida del Mar. And there's a shopping area as well. I think during evening it gets very animated. Don Quixote by Salvador Dali. Very lovely place for such beautiful statues.
Love is gonna set me free.
We stopped for lunch at one of the restaurants near the beach. Nick is waiting to eat. You can start eating, you know. And I ordered patatas bravas with aliolis and croquettes with mushrooms, and he's having pork burger with fries and salad for both of us.
Used to be anonymous. Now the world has seen your face. Living life is dangerous, but there's a map for it.
Good morning from a different day. This time we explore Puerto Banús, and I want to show you where we park the car for free, because the parking here is very expensive. So we drove on this street. I will write the name here, the name of the street, and then you have Edificio de Captación Agua del Mar, and you have here a parking which is free, and here is the bridge. So green, this area. As I said, we are now in Puerto Banús. We are at the entrance at Playa de Rio Verde, is called. Now near the harbor in Puerto Banús. Puerto Banús is a part of Marbella that is more posh than Marbella itself. And first thing here on our way to the harbor is this beautiful restaurant. It's actually a cocktail bar. Very beautiful inside. It looks like a boat. Look how beautiful is the mountain on the back of the beach. Oh my god, it's amazing. And everything's so quiet in the morning. I love exploring like this. This beach is called Levante Beach and it's one of the most beautiful here. They say there are a few beaches with blue flag, which is considered one of the best in the world. I have to admit, I love this area, and I agree, because yesterday we had a walk on the main Marbella and the beaches are not that great, but here, as far as I see, these ones look amazing. As I said, this area is very posh. You'll find here very expensive shops like Louis Vuitton. We've seen Chanel as well, but like near main Marbella. And this is the harbor. You have the option to rent a yacht if you want. I've seen somewhere for 10 to 30 people it costs about 400 euros an hour. But if you count, like let's say you divide by 10 people, it comes about 40 euros per person an hour, which is not much. I think it's a fair price. It's a yacht after all. And this is our vlog from Marbella and Puerto Banús. With this exploring Puerto Banús, we finish our vlog. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.